How to join private group on Telegram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to join private group on Telegram. In order to join private group on Telegram, you could open up your Telegram application first of all, and you could either have an invitation from the group, or you could just go ahead and search it from one. So what you want to do is go ahead and type in for any group. And next thing, you could go with the link, and let's see, I'm gonna go with something else. So as you can see at the bottom of the page, you have to join the group or tap on the join option. Now for the private groups, you will need to have an invitation from an existing member of that particular group, and group admin can restrict messages from members, make the group public or private, and appoint other members as admin as well. And both channels and group can include rich medias like video, audio, and polls as well. You want to get the link from the existing member, and then you could join the group. With that being said, we've completed the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.